It is. It has moved out long ago, but tracking it this morning was pretty intense. We were seeing rainfall rates over 2 inches per hour with those cells just producing tremendous rainfall. And Fall River, New Bedford, areas that are pretty well known for not being able to handle a lot of water all at once. And so we did have the flooding. Several vehicles were submerged in floodwaters for a time just before 6 o'clock this morning. And it was quite a scene down this way. All of these circles showing you where we had reports of flooding early this morning. And then those cells weakened some, but they made their way across Buzzards Bay toward the Cape. South side of Plymouth picked up some very heavy rain, and you can see that stretch of rain here with the oranges and the reds, 3-4 inches of rain stretching all the way over toward Wellfleet as well. So this was one kind of hot spot for the heaviest rain. We had another one here near and north of Route 2 with some rainfall totals near and over 2 inches, and in between some pockets over an inch. We ended up closer to a ½ inch in the Boston area, but of course all of this rain, welcome news considering how dry it has been lately. So some beneficial rain, and the heavy stuff is now over, and it's just still kind of damp and drizzly out there. We've got some very light showers, as you can see, showing up on our radar from Boston out along the Pike Point south. It is a little bit drier to the north, but there's a little bit more rain come around New York City and southwestern Connecticut, and this too is lifting up in our direction. It's all focused on a front which is in no hurry to shift eastward. Because of this right here, there's a secondary area of low pressure that's developed along the front. It's just slowing everything down. There's much drier air just waiting to move in, and it will do that overnight and first thing tomorrow. But this area of low pressure is going to send some additional showers our way. So what is on our radar the next 12 hours? That lingering shower chance, everything though much lighter, and that's going to be with us into this evening with a period of some steadier rain early tonight on Cape Cod. The next threat comes Friday into Saturday with another round of showers and thunderstorms, but in between we've got a couple of nice days on the way. And as we look towards your weekend, it does look like it's going to be in the 80s with brighter skies targeting Sunday. Right now it's only in the 60s. It's a little cool out there, but it is muggy. Dew point temperatures are running in the 60s to around 70 degrees. Those will drop as we bring in that drier air as we head into tomorrow. But with the muggy air in place, that risk of a couple of showers if you are headed to Foxborough for the World Cup match kickoff at 4 o'clock, still going to be in the 60s with that chance of a shower continuing into early this evening. Let me show you here hour by hour on Futurecast. We'll stop the clock first at about 2 o'clock this afternoon. Still looking at those lighter showers that will tend to move out, but you can see by about 5-6 o'clock another batch of some showers starting to lift up from the south, and these are going to target the Cape with a period of rain through about midnight, and then thereafter those move out, and by tomorrow morning skies are clearing, humidity is dropping. It is going to be a much nicer day coming up tomorrow. So with that threat of showers tonight, we'll keep the temperatures between about 55 to 60 degrees. Tomorrow becoming sunny, much warmer than today, but it is going to be less humid with the northwesterly wind. We'll be in the 70s on Cape Cod, otherwise low 80s. Your Wednesday looking fantastic as high pressure builds on in, and that will keep the sunshine going into Thursday as well. And then we'll watch this next system start to bring in that threat for some showers and thunderstorms by Friday. But a nice drop in the humidity coming Wednesday, Thursday, dew points in the 50s. It's going to feel nice, and then the humidity creeps back on Friday, and with that the chance of some thunderstorms. Showers could be around in the morning, some thunderstorms in the afternoon. That shower chance lingers into Saturday. Right now Sunday looking like the brighter day of the weekend, but notice those temperatures after today. We're setting into the 80s this weekend, and we will stay there into early next week. Summer's back.
Wow, we love that, Cindy. All right, thank you.